Outside of the General Assembly, state leaders are working to figure out how the HB2 court battle will play out. The UNC Board of Governors is over an hour into a closed session. The meeting was called after the U.S. Department of Justice sued the board, the state, and the governor over the law. Since it's a closed session, what is said won't be made public, but we could hear remarks afterwards when the board goes back into open session. With both sides buckling in, WNCT's Zora Stevenson joins us now to share some perspective on why this issue isn't going to go away. Zora.
Well, this issue definitely isn't going away. Some legal experts in our area say yesterday's filings are just the beginning.
I have asked a federal court to clarify what the law actually is.
As a result of their decisions, we are now moving forward. Today, we are filing a federal civil rights lawsuit against the state of North Carolina.
It's North Carolina versus the Department of Justice. The lawsuits are in the courts and both parties have made it clear they aren't backing down. So what happens next? Well, ECU professor Hugh Lee says the first step is a hearing.
Declaratory judgment action is not like a classic civil trial in the sense that, generally speaking, there are not witnesses, there are not facts that are in dispute. What is in dispute is a legal interpretation.
Lee says the cases will probably be consolidated and heard as one. How long will this whole process take? It all depends. Lee says the hearing could take months. If there's an appeal to the Fourth Circuit Court, years. Multiple law professors say taking this case to the highest court in the land isn't out of the question.
I think that it is likely, in light of the magnitude of this issue and the very political nature of the issue, that there will be an appeal.
Whoever loses at the Fourth Circuit level is more than likely going to appeal it all the way to the U.S. Supreme Court.
If McCrory loses his spot as governor, HB2 and this lawsuit could be no more.
He can, pressure the legislature to repeal it, or he could simply decide not to enforce it.
As for how much all of this is going to cost, Wright says probably millions of taxpayers' dollars, depending on how things go. Zora Stevenson, 9 on your side.